Here's how to enable Siri on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Siri is Apple's voice assistant. You can use it to make calls, send messages, set reminders, and control your iPhone hands-free. First, open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Siri and search. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri. Also turn on Press Side button for Siri. Follow the setup to train Siri to recognize your voice. Tap Siri Voice to choose a voice and accent. Tap Language if you want to change Siri's language. Turn on Allow Siri when locked, so you can use Siri without unlocking your iPhone. If Siri doesn't respond, check your internet connection, make sure microphone access is enabled, and restart your iPhone. Siri requires Wi-Fi or mobile data. It won't work offline for most commands. You can activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or by pressing the side button. And that's it. That's how you enable Siri on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.